the black bed liner on the bottom.
Did you know there was a hammer right there, Top?
That is all the Christmas stuff now. We're working on a to-do list this afternoon. I've got the tablecloth washing. That was one of the things on my list. There were a few Christmas things around here and there, but I think I got everything now except the wreath on the front door, the wreath on the back door, and I also, again, forgot about this Christmas tree on the back porch. We have to undecorate that and get that off the back porch. These are just like winter trees right here. I'll just leave these out until I get ready to decorate for spring. And I left the milk and cookies with the gingerbread men over here, but they have Santa hats on, huh? We'll go ahead and put them up too. It's looking really empty over here now, especially on top of the mantle. Those lanterns, I just keep those out all the time. They're just, you know, no certain holiday. They just stay there. The coffee area looks completely empty because we need to get another coffee maker. I've just still been using the French press. The bottom shelf needs to be cleaned and organized, so that's on the list. I'm gonna find my other decorations. I have my little sign that says, count your blessings, that I keep up there when it's not, I mean, it's kind of springy. It's got little chicks on it, but it's not, you know, it's not spring colors. It's pretty much any time. And we're looking kind of empty over there since I took the Christmas stuff down. So I'm gonna find my other just anytime decorations and get those back out. I need to clean the top of the refrigerator. Oh, here's another Christmas, y'all, I will find Christmas stuff everywhere. Thought I got it all. Haircuts for Jonah and Manly was also on the list, but they requested that we wait another day for that. And Manly asked if I would just fix his hair, because fixing the hair, what did you say?
Has no scissors included.
Yeah, no scissors included, that's what he said. So we'll save haircuts for probably tomorrow. They've got to happen soon.
Help with water.
Yeah, you want some more water?
Yeah, because I'm hungry. I'm thirsty.
Let's see what else we got on here. Coffee station decorations. Oh yeah, the shelves in the laundry room. I want to clean and organize those. Haircuts, we're gonna wait per request. We'll wait until tomorrow or something for the haircuts. Refrigerator, I need to clean off the top of it and just straighten up the inside. Porches, table, I've got the tablecloth washing. That's pretty much all I wanted to do with the table. Dust, bathrooms. We've already got the bathrooms taken care of. We've already vacuumed. I need to collect and wash eggs. And the closet, that's the shoe closet over there. I'll straighten it up as I'm looking for my other decorations. Let's do that part first because it's the fun part. I should probably save it for last, but today we're gonna start with the fun part. Jonah's gonna get the eggs for me. We still have a little bit of snow out here. You can let them out if they'll come out. They usually don't want to come out when they see the snow. They're like, nah. Thank you. I've been waiting on getting a coffee maker, y'all, because I was hoping that the one that I wanted would go on sale during Christmas, but it didn't. So I'll get one day this week. Because I do love coffee in the French press, but I really liked that other one because I could program it the night before and, you know, I would wake up to the smell of coffee already brewing in here. It was wonderful. I'll probably just get the same one we had. We'll see whenever, next time we go to Walmart sometime this week or whenever. We'll check out what they've got. Ooh, got some dust bunnies over here. Mainly always likes when I say dust bunnies. Is that funny? Mm-hmm. He thinks there's actual little bunnies over here, huh? Get out of here, dust bunnies. We use this wood polish and conditioner for all of our wood things. It smells really good. It has orange oil in it. It doesn't take much, just a little bit. Gotta shake it really good. It's like the best orange cleaner smell I've ever smelled before. It smells so good. Bacon going in the oven. We're in the mood for breakfast, for supper, and I found this Old Country Store recipes book. When I was looking for something on the bookshelf this morning, I came across this. So I was looking through it to see what I might want to make for breakfast in the morning, and then we decided we would make breakfast for supper tonight. So we're making bacon, eggs, some of the cottage cheese pancakes that Titus makes. The kids really like those. And I'm gonna make some apple fritters. These are a little different than the apple fritters we make today. Like when I think apple fritter, I think almost like a donut kind of thing. Yeah, almost like a donut. But these are more like an apple fritter pancake. And it says, let me just read it to y'all. It says stir dry ingredients together, combine. Okay, we'll skip that part. Fry on both sides for 2 minutes or until golden brown. Delicious as snacks or with syrup and butter. And it's in the breakfast section. This is the country breakfast section. So we're gonna try that with our bacon and eggs tonight. I love this little book. Where did we get these from? I think we got it from the general store in Dahlonega. I think that's where we got these. It says on the back, country stores with a shopping center, post office, gathering place, and center of activity in almost every town across early America. The front porch attracted the talkers and checker players when the weather was warm, and the pot-bellied stove drew them in all winter. We have a lot of these stores around here that still look like that. Although you don't see many people playing checkers on the porch. You do see that at Cracker Barrel. Okay, so I've got the bacon in the oven. We'll go ahead and mix up the apple fritters. This doesn't seem like it's gonna make a lot because it just calls for half a cup of apples, but we're making these and the pancakes, so I'm just gonna follow what this recipe says. I'm gonna peel and dice this apple.
There's always something different you can do with cooking, and this is a little different twist on pancakes.
Cottage cheese, and then we're gonna have the apple fritter. Why is that so hard to say?
The apple fritter?
I cannot say apple fritter. Fritter. For some reason that is hard for me to say. Apple fritter.
So Fallon's having trouble with fritter today. I've had trouble with the word yesterday. She probably yeah, it was funny.
There's a lot of stuff in here. We got apple fritters, we got Old Country omelets, Rhode Island Johnny cakes. I started to go with the Johnny cakes, but I thought the apple, since I had that apple, I decided to go with the apple fritter. Corn pone. I've heard of corn pone before, I think on some movie or old show we watched. Oh look, this is a real general store in Adamsville, Rhode Island, built in 1820. Look at that.
Mom, try to say apple fritter,
Apple fritter, apple fritter, apple fritter. I can't. Okay, for the apple fritter cakes, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm not sure why I have such a hard time saying apple fritter. Fritter. Okay.
apple fritter.
Yeah, thank you, Manly. We're just gonna call them apple cakes.
Apple fritter, apple fritter.
We need 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Yeah. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can go ahead and start stirring it. Look at you. You almost don't even need a stool anymore. Can you stop growing up?
I'm still this small.
Okay. 2 teaspoons of sugar. There you go.
Whoa, it looks so powdery.
Now we need 1 beaten egg.
Okay, when I try to have the egg, I'll go ride my 4-wheeler when Daddy's done.
Oh, okay. You gonna go ride your 4-wheeler?
When the seconds cracked.
Oh, when the eggs cracked. Okay.
What are we making?
We're making apple fritter.
Apple fritter.
Yes, apple fritter pancakes.
I was gonna mix it.
I'm gonna pour it in there and you mix it. There you go. I just had to beat it up a little bit. Okay, then we need 1/2 cup of milk. I already measured that out somewhere. Where did I put that 1/2 cup of milk? There it is. Whee! And the last thing we need is just the apples. So we'll get that mixed up and add the apples in, and we're ready to start making some pancakes, Manny.
Wait, we're making pancakes?
Yeah, we're making apple fritter. Mama
Look
can't
at
talk
me.
today.
Apple fritter.
Yes, thank you. Apple fritter pancakes and cottage cheese pancakes. These are great, y'all. They definitely have that old-timey general store taste. What does that? The bacon drippings, that's what does that. It instantly makes it taste like Grandma made it, or you walked into an old general store and whoever was there making the food made that for you right there. They're great.